Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mo and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's DIY, it's going to be a Dollar Tree DIY. Everything that you see in this video, you can purchase at the Dollar Tree, I promise. So today's video is going to be a DIY Zen garden, and I love everything Buddha, like everything. So every time I see some kind of statue or something like that at a department store, I always want to pick it up and I want to buy it. And I do have it around my house, so when I just do different parts of my house and film those, I will show you. But as you can see back here, I have this beautiful piece back here. It is gorgeous. I love that piece, guys. I thrifted that piece. I was so excited when I saw it. Today's video is going to be a home video. We're gonna get to make the Zen garden. My daughter loves it, I love it, and we know that this is the decor in my house. I really love that peaceful, serene setting that the Zen garden brings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely enjoyed making this, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so these are the supplies that you would need for this DIY. Over here, I have my 1 bushel of this lemongrass, and I've used this before in the DIY, but I love this plant. But the lemongrass, this one's called berry bush, but I guess it's before it comes out. So this is the berry bush here, and you would need some succulents, and these are all from the Dollar Tree, guys. So I got some succulents here, and I did pick these 2 colors. And then also Dollar Tree is selling this, and these are like a little bamboo plant. So you would need 1 of these. And the next thing that Dollar Tree is selling, which I was so in love with, is this Buddha. It is on a plate and it's gorgeous. I absolutely love this, and apparently that they have these in different colors. So you will need 1 of these. And I poured all of my rocks from Dollar Tree. I bought like maybe 3 packs. That's in this Ziploc bag, so you would need this. I didn't know how much I needed, so I poured them all here. And then also from Dollar Tree, you get these glass beads. These are like the pearlescent type glass beads, if you can see. And then you need some scissors, you need some floral cutters. Also, you need some floral foam. So I did get these and I cut them down to these size. And so that's why I have these different pieces here. And last but not least, you definitely need this tray. This tray is also from Dollar Tree as well. As you can see, it's the crystal plastic tray. And I really love this for the Zen garden that we're going to make. So I also got that. And then over here I got my, you would definitely need a hot glue gun. So I got my hot glue gun over here heating up, but you would definitely need a hot glue gun. So let's go ahead and start this project. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and get our floral foam. It comes in like blocks, of course. So what I did is I cut that block in half and I put it on here. And as you can see, the way I position it on this tray is how I'm gonna want it to sit for this Zen garden. So you're gonna go ahead and take your hot glue gun and you're gonna glue this down. And you wanna glue it where it's almost like on that square, and then let this one be on the center, because they have like little squares on there, if you could see. So now these are all glued down. You're gonna kind of wait for them to dry, and then we will go on for the next task. So the next thing you wanna do, after these are dried, as you can see, they're dried on there. You want to go ahead and grab, I have my succulents and everything ready to go. And like I said, you can get everything here at Dollar Tree. And sorry about the grass cutting on the outside. This is the time that they're mowing my lawn right now. So this tray is going to sit right here so that you can get an idea of what it's going to do. This tray is going to sit here, so you're going to go ahead and put that down so you know what that's going to be. You want to go ahead and take your little bamboo plant and remove it. And this is how it looks once you remove it from this little pot, like this. Okay, so this is gonna go in the center right here. So the next thing you're gonna do is, these are your stems, and this is why we have the floral cutter. So you're gonna be cutting these. Okay, so now that I've taken up all of those, this is going to be placed here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure you center your Buddha, this is so cute, guys. So you're going to center your Buddha, and then you're going to get your rocks, because this is where it comes like the healing garden part. So you're going to get your rocks, and you're going to pour them. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your little bamboo plant that you removed. You're going to go ahead and stick that one in here. So it's going to sit like that. And then, like I said, you're going to fix around there. So that's going to sit like that. And then we don't worry about it, because we're going to have more plants to go around there. And then the next thing you're going to want to do, you want to get these little bushels here. And you want to go ahead and start sticking them into your floral foam back here. Okay, so that's how it's looking. So we're gonna go to the next step. Next step is to get your little adorable succulents, and we're just gonna put them here. And for our lemongrass, this is why I got this for. So we're gonna cut a couple of pieces. So we're gonna take this and kind of cut it a little bit and give it its little grassy-like appearance. Okay guys, so we've cut all of these down, and this is how they look after I was done. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go along the back side here, the pieces that you've used. This is just gonna kind of help it to blend in a little bit more. And it's not looking like that right now, but I promise you it's going to look like that. And then we're gonna add some more to it, but we're gonna make sure that it's all cleaned up. And this is where you come in with your glass bead. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of the Zen garden. So I moved everything out of the way. It's very simple, so cute and serene. And so I want to go ahead and zoom in for you so that you can see. Here's the Zen garden here. I really love the way it turned out. Very simple, but so cute and serene. Okay guys, so that is it. That is the DIY Zen garden. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I will show you guys the finished product of this Zen garden. I hope you guys enjoy this Zen garden, guys. I hope it brings a lot of beauty and into your home. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and as you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell, that little bell next to the subscribe button. That's a notification to let you know that every time I upload a new video, you'll be first to know. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as I always say guys, don't forget to live your life beautifully, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.